Hey guys, what's up? This is Leo with dualsim.us, and in this video I will be showing you the dual SIM function on this BLU Pure XL. So this is a phone that I'm currently using and reviewing, and I really enjoy this phone. I finally switched from LG G3 to this guy, and uh, so far I'm very impressed with it. I really like it. There are a few things that I don't like about it, but overall it's a pretty great phone. So if you're interested in it, it's sold on Amazon for 350 bucks. There is a link to the Amazon in the description below. If you plan to buy this phone, please use that link. It will support our channel. It won't cost you anything extra. Okay, let's jump into dual SIM settings. As you can see there, I have two SIM cards inserted, and only one of them can be used for data at any given moment, but you can actually do data in both SIMs. I'll show you how to do that. So let's say you travel or you have like two different providers and you want to switch data from one SIM to another. All you do here is go into settings, dual SIM settings, and then cellular data, and you choose which SIM card you want to use. So let's switch cell data, wireless data to SIM number 2. Okay, so it's taking a little bit of time to switch. Now you can see both SIMs disconnected while the switching goes on. And in a couple of settings, they will find the signal again, and data will be on SIM card number 2. There you go, see? All right, so besides that, you can also choose how to make phone calls, how to send text messages. You can set a default SIM card for calls, let's say SIM 1 or SIM 2, or you can say ask first. So this will ask you every time you want to make a phone call. You can do the same for text messages. You can set SIM 1 or SIM 2 to be default SIM for text messages, or you can say ask every time. So one sec. Alright, so let's say we want to call voicemail. We typed in voicemail and we say call, and it shows you SIM 1 and SIM 2, and you can choose which SIM to use for calls. So let's do this.
Please check the number and dial again, or dial 611 for customer assistance. Message MA.
Okay, so we didn't actually call the voicemail, but you can see how the dual SIM calling works, and we can choose the number, and again it pops here SIM 1 or SIM 2, or you choose this number, again SIM 1 or SIM 2. And the same thing works for text messages, so you can easily send message from SIM 1 or SIM 2. Now I'll tell you, it's actually not super convenient based on my previous experience with dual SIM phones, but it gets the job done. And the call reception on both SIMs when you're outside, it's excellent if you're in a good cell phone coverage area. But what I have found is that when you're inside a building, the inactive SIM, meaning SIM that doesn't have data right now, kind of drops reception pretty badly. So inside my house, I often don't have any reception on SIM card 2, which is my not active. So I always make my SIM 1 active for data, and then when I try to receive or make calls with SIM number 2, you can see that it's looking for service. So I often get this kind of icon on SIM number 2 when I'm inside my house, even though I do have LTE speed booster from T-Mobile, and both of these SIM cards are on T-Mobile network. It still drops reception on SIM number 2 inside the house. So this is very annoying. In case I get an important call on SIM 2, but I usually don't do that. I usually don't get important calls on second SIM, so it's fine. But if you do, you might run into troubles if when you're inside the building with the second SIM. Outside it works perfectly. Usually actually you get better reception on SIM 2, but in the building you don't. Alright, so this was my quick overview of the dual SIM functionality on this Blue Pure XL phone. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel. And once again, if you like this phone and if you want to buy it, there is a description to the Amazon listing for this phone below. Once again, it costs $350, free shipping, sold by Amazon, and I overall really like this phone. It's excellent. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.